Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel All Curtains. In today's video, we will show you how to install rubber flooring step by step. Rubber flooring is durable, easy to maintain, and perfect for gyms, basements, and playrooms. Let's get started. Step 1. Tools and materials. You'll need rubber flooring rolls or tiles, a utility knife or heavy-duty scissors, a tape measure, a chalk line, a straight edge, double-sided tape or adhesive, a roller, a rubber mallet, floor cleaner, gloves, and knee pads. Make sure you have everything ready before you start. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. First things first, let's prepare the subfloor. Remove any debris, dirt, or old flooring. Ensure the subfloor is dry, level, and clean. Fill any holes or cracks and sand down any uneven areas. Step 3. Measure the area. Next, measure the length and width of your room. Calculate the total square footage and add an extra 5 to 10% to account for cuts and waste. Step 4. Plan the layout. Plan the layout of the tiles or rolls. Use a chalk line to create reference lines on the subfloor, starting from the center of the room and working outward. This helps ensure the flooring is straight and centered. Step 5. Cut the tiles. Now it's time to cut the tiles. Measure the tiles to fit the edges and corners of the room. Use a straight edge and a sharp utility knife to make clean cuts. Always cut on a protective surface to avoid damaging your floor or the tiles. Step 6. Lay the tiles. Start laying the tiles from the center of the room, following the chalk lines. Place each tile firmly and make sure the edges are aligned. Rubber tiles usually interlock or have adhesive backing, making installation easier. Step 7. Trim and finish. Once all the main tiles are in place, trim the edge tiles to fit snugly against the walls. Use a straight edge and utility knife to make precise cuts. After trimming, press the tiles firmly to ensure there are no gaps. Step 8. Cleaning the floor. Finally, clean your new rubber flooring with a mild floor cleaner to remove any installation residue. And there you have it. Your new rubber flooring is installed and ready to use. It's a simple process that can transform any room into a durable and functional space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell icon for more DIY tips and tutorials.